Hey, this is Marco, and in this video I'm going to show you how to check Telegram downloaded media. Now, before I show you how to do that, subscribe to the channel, it helps me out a lot. Basically, what you want to do is open up Telegram, and you want to go to Settings. Then you want to go to Data Storage, and you have all of these options. Now, for example, Storage Users, the first option, you want to click on that. Then you're going to see that miscellaneous is using 250 megabytes, videos 130 megabytes, photos 15, and etc. If you want to delete all of that, you want to click on clear entire cache. But be aware, all media will stay in Telegram cloud and can be re-downloaded if you need them again. So this is just to clear up space. And if you want to access those photos or videos, you just have to go there and that's it. Now you can also auto remove cache media from private chats, group chat, channels, or story, and what is your maximum cached size. But if you scroll down, you can see media right over here, and you can tap on media, and then it's basically going to show you all of the pictures, basically all the media that you have. If you're watching this video, if you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.